Present, go. And even the volcano doesn't have the color. Only 6 groups are allowed to talk. You put all. It will not erupt. Enough.
Uy, grabe ka.
That's the blue lava.
Very nice. Ganda ng color.
So, you have now the grade in science. You made it erupt.
Hindi, wag mo.
Now, you get the trash bin, the trash bin.
Look at my table.
Why did you get the trash bin? Turuan pa kayo.
Ano? Uy, Tahin.
Oh, you move it. Move it there, go. Carefully, ah.
Hindi naman namatay yung mga animal. Mamaya pa yan. Mamaya pa yan.
Let's wait for their story.
Naligo ka. They died. Parang naligo.
Sige, sige. Ganunin mo.
Namatay na yung table ko.
Oh.
Patay na yung zebra.
Let's see how you present it now. Go, speak.
Okay. Okay.
Who will start? Who will start? Hey, stop now the eruption. The story now. I need the story.
Okay.
O yan, turuan na. Turuan na kayo.
Bakit nag-erap yung volcano?
Okay, Teacher Nicole will be the one to grade now.
Volcano. Okay. Is the first the volcano. It's just possible. It's just that.
Sige, Teacher Nicole will be the one to grade you there.
Actually, hindi siya nakakuha ng point.
Oh, Alexi, your turn.
Hindi lahat nakakuha ng
Oo.
put warm water and let join water and because
Is that how you present? You face the class.
then put the baking soda and the food color.
Oh, next.
Hindi mo naman yata sabi yung
Louder. Face the class.
Pinapit na kalik. The volcano erupted. Very strong. They are madaya.
Oh, what else you can say? That's not realistic. You're putting the animals inside. Wait, wait. Next. Make it. Oh. Louder.
The volcano erupted and then the animals died because of the lava.
Why did the volcano turn into a blue? Before it's white.
Oh, wait.
So, that's
Because
means
it
to say
erupted.
it erupted. So the color, where did the color come from?
The food color.
Because of the food color. That's why yung volcano turned into blue volcano. Is that all I can say? Are you done?
Yes.
Here's the... Ay, I'll give